All right, so I'm fielded some questions in the past 10 days or so about Omarion Hampton. Remember, he played about a week ago, and he was in a boot on the sideline. The Chargers played a week ago, and he was a boot on the sideline. So that tells me he's still not even remotely close to coming back. Now, Kamani Vidal has looked absolutely incredible, and Hassan Haskins has been dealing with a hamstring strain, and he still hasn't practiced yet. So if and when Hampton comes back, the question is, A, what is he dealing with? And B, should you trade for him? Can you wait for him? Is he going to be a bell cow again? So this is probably a left high ankle sprain with a small fracture, if I were to guess. They never specifically admitted anything. Second thing, he's probably 2 to 3 weeks away. He's not going to have the same level of explosiveness and cutting because of that diagnosis and just the nature of that in a running back. Third, we know that Greg Roman loves to use a split backfield. That's what he's done for the past basically decade. And that's what he planned on doing with Najee Harris until Najee Harris unfortunately tore his Achilles. So now I think it will probably be Hampton and Vidal whenever Hampton were to come back. So don't just assume Vidal is going to fall off the planet and Hampton is going to take over and be a bell cow again. I don't think that's going to be the case. And because Vidal's playing so well, I would not be surprised if they held out Hampton a couple more weeks. So do not depend on Hampton for probably at least the next 2 to 3 weeks. I honestly don't know when he's going to come back. It doesn't look blatantly obvious. The fact that he was still in a boot tells me it's at least 2 to 3 weeks away. Best case scenario. So, plan accordingly. Him and Trey Benson, I've got a lot of questions on. Both of them will probably be back roughly around the same time. I have more concerns for Hampton than I do for Benson, but that's kind of what we're looking at heading into week 9 for Omarion Hampton's status. If you can, try to buy low on Kamani Vidal with the potential that someone's concerned about Hampton coming back, probably because they didn't see this video and you did.